Hello guys, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the property binding in Angular. Okay, VS Code I have created one component under the Angular concepts project. So I have created one component button. So here I have created one property is disabled and assign the value true. Okay, and this property is used in the HTML. See how I have used it here. Inside the button, by default, this attribute disabled will be present, right? So to that attribute, I am using square bracket and wrapping the property, wrapping the attribute disabled. Okay. So in this way, we are using the property binding the Angular. So what happened here, whenever this value is set to true, so it will become false because I'm using negation operator. So the attribute disabled will be false. So the button will be disabled. Okay. So for this, I'm using another class, ng class, which is also a kind of binding, but it is not property binding. Okay. Whenever it sets to false, this class, custom disabled class, will not be applicable. Whenever it is true, this custom disabled class will be applicable. See, inside the CSS, just the opacity and cursor only I have given. Okay, this will be applicable whenever the button is disabled. Okay, so we are going to the browser. Right now, we will check the TypeScript file. The property is true. Okay, so the button is visible. Okay, and the cursor is loud. If I set it to false, save the file. Here the cursor is not allowed and the opacity also applied to the button. Okay, so in this way we are applying the property to the attribute of a button tag. Okay, so what happened here is the component communication the file communication is from the uh, TypeScript to the HTML. This is a one-way binding. I hope you have understood. If you have any comments, please do comment in the comment section and like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.